So welcome to the Inland Surf System project for this semester. We've got Richard Leesberg, Dexton Graves, and Mike Gleason. So for our project, we were looking at retrofit systems to enable older boats to be able to surf like some of the new boats. So this started out with some concept generation to see what kind of system we could build, what we could fit behind an actual boat. So this is a 3D scan that we took of my boat and to see if we could design a system hardware that could actually do what we're wanting to do. After that 3D scan and doing some engineering work, we were able to produce some hardware tab prototypes that we mounted behind the boat, and we're able to see them move up and down, and it was time to start working on a control system. So for our first control system prototype was just a combination of drivers and relays and push button switches, and this allowed us to be able to see the motion and function of the boat and start doing some testing. So this is a friend of mine behind my boat doing some testing, and clearly you can see we got some good results. She's back there surfing away. So after that initial testing, we were able to get some feedback to say, hey, this control system would be a lot better with a touchscreen interface. And so we've started working on a mobile app to control, and these are what some of the screens look like. The surf screen allows you to control the function while you're surfing. You got a launch screen that helps you get the boat up and going when you're just starting out and if you're wanting to do other types of wake sports. And we've got a trim screen, so these tabs can also function as general trim tabs and help you control the listing of the boat from side to side as you're carrying different loads across the water. Our settings tab allows you to make small adjustments to how you want your boat to function and what speeds you want the tabs to get deployed at to give you a better surf experience.
All right, so we went from the design concept of what Mike just talked about to starting the development and the design validation. This is where we got those 3D images, and if the tabs would work properly, we also got from a push button control module to just on screen real-time feedback, and we got our reviews from our customers, and through the final design we were able to get the customers out on the water to make sure everything was working properly, and this is where we're at right before mass production. So.
In the financial analysis of this product, we first itemized the cost of creating the product, and then with that comes the cost of other things, not necessarily material, but assembly, software, engineering support, and overhead. And when it comes to revenue, there was the selling of the actual product, but also there was the option for yearly support on that, which gives the company the option to receive that incoming payment and continue to help the company to grow. The option for payment, it was chosen to do a monthly payment instead of doing a lump sum, and we were also able to calculate our annual worth, present worth, and future worth to determine the actual worth of the company and some projected values. So it was awesome to work on this project, and we're grateful for the opportunity to present it to you. So thank you.